Hey developers and tech fans, Apple just dropped a massive update for Xcode at WWDC 2025, and it's bringing ChatGPT and AI power to your coding game. Is this the future of app development? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech scoops. Let's dive into this game changer. At WWDC 2025, Apple unveiled Xcode 26, supercharging its app development suite with OpenAI's ChatGPT and support for other AI models. Imagine writing code, generating docs, and fixing bugs with AI at your fingertips. This is huge for developers and it's live now. Want to know how it works? Keep watching. Xcode 26 lets developers tap into ChatGPT for coding, writing tests, creating documentation, and more. No account? No problem. You can use ChatGPT right in Xcode with one click. Paid ChatGPT users can connect their accounts for higher rate limits, making workflows even smoother. Apple's making AI coding accessible and fast. How cool is that? But it's not just ChatGPT. Apple's opened the door for developers to use API keys to integrate other AI models for tailored coding suggestions. Plus, the new Foundation Models framework lets you run Apple's own AI models on device with just 3 lines of code. If you're on Apple Silicon, you can even run local models. This is next-level flexibility for developers. This update turns Xcode into a powerhouse. Developers can preview code, iterate designs, fix errors, and manage tasks more efficiently than ever. Apple's blog says it's all about embedding AI directly into your coding experience. Rumors swirled about a collab with Anthropic, but Apple went with ChatGPT, and it's a bold move. Are developers about to code smarter and faster? With Xcode 26, Apple's betting big on AI to redefine app development. Whether you're building the next killer app or tweaking a small project, these tools could save you serious time. Are you ready to code with AI, or is this just the start of something bigger? What's your take on this update? That's the scoop on Apple's AI-powered Xcode 26. Are you hyped to try ChatGPT in your coding, or are you curious about other AI models? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love the scoop, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.